Come test drive the 2022 Challenger. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, power sunroof. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, universal garage door opener, compass. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.